Hello, my name is Sujan Kumar Roy. Currently, I am holding the post of Scientific Officer in the Department of Atomic Energy. I am an alumni of Malda College Physics Department. Recently, I have gone through a post shared in the Malda College Physics Alumni Group that NASC peer team members are visiting Malda College. I thought it was a great opportunity to convey my gratitude to this department for which I am really proud of. As a graduate student, I joined this department in the year of 2008. After completing
Hello, my name is Sanjoy Saha. I am ex-student of Malda College. I did math honors from Malda College and I completed my degree in 1991. Currently, I stay in United States of America and I work for GE Healthcare, General Electric Healthcare. I am a Senior Director of Program Management.
I am Dr. Muhammad Ahmaduzzaman, working as an Associate Professor in the Department of Chemistry, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. I have passed BSc Honours in Chemistry from Malda College in the year 1991. I am an active alumnus of Malda College since 1991. I came to know that NAC is visiting Malda College for accreditation of the course of the Department of Chemistry. Therefore, I convey my best wishes to the department for the upcoming NAC visit to the Malda College. Thanks.
Hello, this is Showman Talukar. I have completed my computer science honors from Malda College in 2009. Right now I am working in Bank of India as the Deputy Manager Administration and Services. First of all, I like to thank my Malda College and my department, that is Computer Science and Application Department. That's why I am here for the education and support. And I like to wish best of luck, best wishes to my Malda College and my department for the upcoming NAC visit. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Plavita Paul from Malda College from the Zoology Department. The batch was 2016 to 19. Recently, I am doing my MSc in Banaras Hindu University and in the final year, MSc final year. So, I am very thankful to my teachers who always gave me constant support to do well.
Hello everyone, I am Sriparna Das. I am an alumna of Malda College. I have studied my English honors in Malda College from the year 92 to 96. I am a pass out of 96 batch. After my graduation with honors in Malda College, currently I am working in the University of Hyderabad as an assistant professor in the Center for Applied Linguistics and Translation Studies. My specialization is in translation studies.
With due respect to all, myself, Mr. Rajesh Kesri, an alumni of Malda College 2002-2005 BCom Honors batch. I am presently working in IDBI Bank as branch head in IDBI Bank Dinhata branch, Kuch Bihar. I had a wonderful experience studying at Malda College. I learnt a lot under the erudite professors of Malda College. I miss my college a lot. My best wishes are with my Malda College for the upcoming NAC visit. Thanks to all.
Hello, I am Urunima Guin. I have completed my graduation from the Sanskrit department of Malda College in the year 2009. Now I am working as an assistant professor at Tehata Sadananda Mahavidyalaya, Purbo Bardhaman. I would like to thank my department and my college for this educational support. I wish best of luck my department and my college for the upcoming NAC visit. Thank you.
Now, I am the alumni of Department of Economics, Malda College. I did my undergraduate studies from Department of Economics in way back in 1992-93 and I passed out in 1995. And thereafter, I started my teaching career as a lecturer in economics and thereafter assistant professor of economics in St. Joseph's College, Darjeeling. From there, I moved to University of Bardhaman as an associate professor and joined UGC Human Resource Development Center. And finally, from there, 4 years, I joined as a professor and director of UGC Human Resource Development Center, University of North Bengal.
Hello, myself Dr. Sapun Kumar Chaudhary. I have completed my botany honors from Malda College in 1998. Now I am working as an assistant professor of botany at Balughat College, Dakshin Dinajpur, West Bengal. I would like to thank Malda College and my department for their continuous educational support. So I wish to best of luck of Malda College and my department for the upcoming next year team visit. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Samsul Haq, Assistant Professor in Geography, Krishnamur Government College in the district of Nadia, West Bengal. Actually, I am very much fortunate that I was the student of the Department of Geography of Malda College. I have graduated from this department in 2008.
Hello everyone, I am Ranit Das. I am former student of Malda College, BC Department 2012. Currently I am employed with TCS Bangalore, working as a senior software engineer. I would like to give credit to my department, faculties and Malda College for their immense support and contribution to others. No matter how self-sufficient I was, I could not achieve anything without their unconditional support. Wishing Malda College all the best for their upcoming NAC visit on 1st and 2nd of April. Thank you. Stay safe.
Hello, I am Firoz Alam, an assistant professor in the Department of History, Sitaram Mahato Memorial College, Purulia.
নমস্কার, আমি ডক্টর অনন্য শঙ্কর দেবভূতি, বর্তমানে কলিকাতা যোগমায়া দেবী কলেজের বাংলা বিভাগে অধ্যাপনারত এবং একই সঙ্গে সেই বিভাগের বিভাগীয় প্রধান।
Hello, this is Dr. Purbayan Jha. I did my graduation with philosophy honors from Malda College in the year 2003. Now I am an assistant professor of philosophy at University of Gaur-Bongo, which is also located in Malda town. I convey my best wishes for the Department of Philosophy, Malda College and Malda College as a whole, where I have many fond memories.
Hello, my Malda College alma maters. I am Chinmay Nandi sending this message from Bombay. Firstly, to briefly introduce myself, I am born and brought up in Malda and joined Malda College in 1975 and passed out BSc with chemistry honors in 1978 and stood first class in university. I came to Bombay thereafter after finishing my MSc with a Bhabha Atomic Research Center job, and subsequently I joined my present company NOSIL. I did my PhD from IIT Bombay and continued my job in NOSIL. I got promoted slowly to Vice President level and presently heading a group of 30 people comprising of PhDs, MScs and chemical engineers.
আমি শুভ্র কুণ্ডু, মালদা কলেজের 1979 ব্যাচ। আমরা মালদা কলেজ থেকে বেরিয়ে আমাদের যে ব্যাচটা ছিল আমাদের বেরিয়ে অনেকেই আমাদের চার্টার্ড অ্যাকাউন্টেন্ট এই লাইনেই আছে।
This is Anirban Bandapathay and I'm recording from Tsukuba, Japan. I'm working as a senior scientist here in the National Institute for Material Science, and I have studied Malda College from 1994 to 1997, and I was in the Department of Physics.
Hi, this is Shondipan Talukdar. I was a student of Malda College Department of Zoology from 2006 to 2009 when I did my undergraduate in zoology. Then I went on to do my masters in zoology from the University of North Bengal. In 2011, I qualified CSIR UGC NET and started doing my PhD in the University of Burdwan. In 2015, I was appointed as Assistant Professor under West Bengal Education Service, and currently I am working as an Assistant Professor in Gurubathan Government College, Fagu, Kalinga.
নমস্কার, আমার নাম অভিজিৎ দেশমুখ।
আমি 2009 সালে বিএসসি ইন কম্পিউটার সায়েন্স অনার্স নিয়ে মালদা কলেজ থেকে পাস আউট। বর্তমানে আমি ডিআরডিওতে সিনিয়র টেকনিক্যাল অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট পদে কর্মরত। আমার এই সাফল্যের পিছনে মালদা কলেজ এবং আমার কম্পিউটার সায়েন্স ডিপার্টমেন্টের অবদান উল্লেখযোগ্য। আসন্ন ন্যাক ভিজিটের জন্য আমার এবং আমার পরিবারের তরফ থেকে মালদা কলেজকে শুভেচ্ছা। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Somnath Das. I passed out in 2009 from Department of Sanskrit, Malda College. Now I am Assistant Professor of Manikchak College. I am very thankful to Malda College and Sanskrit Department for their educational support. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Soumitra Kumar Chaudhuri, MSc PhD, born in Malda town 1954 and passed BSc Honours in Chemistry 1975 from glorious Malda College.
Hello, my name is Shubhankar Mitra. I am holding a PhD degree and currently I am working in Bhabha Atomic Research Center as a scientist H. I am also associated with Homi Bhabha National Institute at the moment and a recognized PhD guide under University of Mumbai. I had pursued my BSc degree in Physics Honours from Malda College during 1986 to 1989.
Hello, with due respect to all, myself Mr. Manas Das, an alumni of Malda College BCom Honours Graduate Batch of 2005 to 2008. I am currently working as a branch head in Chakmaghat SD Office branch under Agartala Circle of Punjab National Bank. It was a very wonderful and enjoyable learning experience under the erudite professors of Malda College. I wish Malda College good luck for the upcoming NAC visit.
I am Hussein Ali. I have completed my BA degree from Malda College in 2012 with first class in Arabic Honours. Now I am engaged as a state added college teacher in Shitulkuchi College under Kuzbihar Panchanan Burma University.